The last few trees fell right around here.
Sam! Oh, you okay?
Kit, look, another burrow.
Looks like a fresh one, too. Same teeth and claw marks as before. Look at this mound. It's all lumpy, and the entrance is off to the side. There's only one animal who burrows like that. A pocket gopher.
Stop right there.
Gotcha! Or not.
Over there.
Ouch! We'll never catch her this way.
But maybe we can beat her at our own game. If we send StoryBots down into the gopher's tunnels, we can chase her out and catch her.
Ready when you are. Keep it up, Sam! You're gaining on her!
Can't catch her. She's too fast.
Sam, you can do this. Remember what you said. You just have to stay focused.
Stay focused. Ready, kids? StoryBots, double team.
Gotcha!
Yes! Yeah! I won! Woo!
Sam. Sam!
Oh. Okay, Pocket Gopher, start talking.
Why have you been knocking down all those trees?
What trees?
What was that?
Sorry, I had some food in my cheek pockets. I said, what trees?
The trees whose roots you've been eating. It's killing them and making them fall over.
Sorry, but I'm a gopher. That's just what we do.
But it's really dangerous for the creatures that live in the trees and on the ground.
Look, I just moved into the neighborhood, and these roots were the only food I could find. There aren't really any good snacks around here, and I'm kind of a picky eater.
You know what? I think we saw a place with lots of different plants that you can try.
Of course, the overgrown area where we tried to land Ron.
Oh, my favorites! There's peas! And onion grass! Alfalfa! Oh, this place is great!
I think she's gonna like it here.